Good morning, my man. Yesterday, it's only when we tried to open this door for the first time, so we can cut the the, the protectors inside, so we can use the door. But when the guy pulled it up, it just went up a little bit like this. Then this is just turning, and nothing is happening. So I don't know what's happening. But I was only told yesterday in the evening. So apparently they wanted to open up in the morning so they can work inside. So that's what happened.